Good morning, cousins. All right, first off, I made this big up my back breakfast without you guys. If you are trying to unbig your back, girl, do not follow me and eat that, okay? But let's get over here and make this homemade caramel macchiato. Let's get it. Let's go. All right, so first you have to start off with a Keurig machine. Girl, if you don't have that, just go ahead and scratch this whole plan. Grab your creamer from Starbucks. You need to start off with some Dunkins, but I understand if you don't have none, go ahead and use what you have. I'm going to do a cup, 12 ounces, putting on strong, get it percolating. You hear that? Yeah, that's what's going on. So I stopped it, right? Because now I'm going to go ahead and lace this thing with some caramel. I put it all on the inside of the cup. Y'all don't need to see that. When I come back, it'll be there. See, boom. All right, so now you put it back on there. You go ahead, shut it back down, and let it finish. Drip, 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 drip. Okay, it's done. Yeah, so now we're going to go ahead, throw our little creamer up in there. You know, I like more creamer than usual, but do what you do. Don't worry about me, okay? And then I'm going to go ahead and get my froth out. And yeah, she pink, but you can use your black one if that's what you have. Get it nice and frothy. I slowed it down for you. All right. Okay, I'm done. Let's go ahead, take it out, because it's nice. That's what you want to see right there, though. You see that froth? That's what you need to see. Ooh, just look how it's whipping. Ooh, it's going to be so good. Anyway, let me go ahead and snatch that thing out. And then I'm going to go ahead and throw some of this whipped cream on top. That is what the shut it down is all about. Girl, go ahead. Throw your glass straw in. If you don't have one, you better get you one. Sprinkle you a little bit of cinnamon on there. And there you go. Sip on it and you're done. See you on the next cafe. Bye.